Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and long time no see. Yeah, I'm sorry you guys. It's been a minute. It's been like 2.5 weeks since I filmed. Technically it hasn't been. I did film actually this video I'm about to do right now, which is my Boxycharm, and I also filmed my Ipsy already. And then I decided it would be a great idea to accidentally delete the footage, so I didn't have that. Then I got super sick for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, actually, pretty close to 2 weeks. And I literally had no voice for like 4 days. And then I started coughing super bad. And I actually tried to film like 3 different times and I coughed so many times just in the intro that I was like, there's no point, this video sucks. So I gave up. I'm sorry. I promise I am going to start being better about this and getting videos to you more, at least a couple times a week. I want to do every day, but I already missed Monday because of issues that I had, which didn't have anything to do with filming. It just had to do with the fact that I wound up having to stay really late at work and I had no lighting when I got home. But yeah, so without further ado, we can jump right into Boxycharm. Again, I'm really sorry you guys. Don't hate me. You also missed my haircut. I did get my hair cut finally, and I did talk about that in my video already, but that got deleted. So hair got cut, hair got colored, fun times. I hated it at first. I felt like it was way too short, and I felt like it made me look fatter, but it's starting to grow on me, and hopefully literally grow on me. But anyway, moving on from my slight little life update. So like I said, I did already film this, so everything's open. I have already seen it. I do know what's in here. Lost the card, so I don't know prices. So I'm really sorry. And everything is not in the box that it came in. But I have actually tried a few of these products, so I do know a little bit about them now that we can talk about. But anyway, first thing is this little brush trio right here. This is by Luxie, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's by Luxie. Weird. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was gonna say normally, yeah, they do have them. I could not read that. Like, it's right there. Luxie. This is the small contouring brush. This one is the small shader. And this one is the large shader. So 2 eye brushes and a face brush. These feel like very cheap actually, which is weird for Luxie brushes because I usually love Luxie brushes. The brush feels really nice on them, but the like actual like handle feels really cheap, which Luxie brushes are some of my favorite brushes, so I don't think there's anything wrong with them. I think they're really good brushes. They just feel cheap this time, but they're really, really pretty, and they go with the theme of this month, which was like festival theme. I know this is the last day of the month, and my Ipsy will be going up tomorrow, which is not even April anymore. I suck at YouTube, guys. But yeah, first thing, I haven't tried yet, so I don't know if I love it or not, but they're really pretty. Next thing in here, I can already tell you I do not care for. This is the Bodyography eye pencil in the shade Bali Bronze. It looks like this. It's a really pretty color. I'll swatch it for you. It looks like that there. It's just a really bronzy shade. It'd be really pretty if you have like a hazel eye, because if you pop this in, then it's gonna really pull that gold out of your eye. So it'd be really pretty. I do not like this. I do have sensitive eyes. Let me preset that because I do, but I feel like it tugs at my waterline really badly and my eyes water when I have this on. I don't like it, but I'm pretty sure it's fairly cheap, so not too mad at it. Next thing is this guy. I'm blowing through this because I've already talked about all of these. This is by Artist Couture. It's the Diamond Glow Powder. It is in the shade Purple Dream. I cannot tell you how long it took me to find this packaging. Thankfully, I didn't throw it away yet. I just cleaned my entire apartment except for my beauty room. So thankfully I still have this. Can't find the card anywhere though. I think I had that in my bedroom, but this is what it looks like. I really like Artist Couture highlighters. I think they're really pretty. I don't usually care for like powdery highlights like this, like loose highlights, that's the word. But if I was going to do one, it'd probably be Artist Couture because I think they're really pretty. I don't care for this shade. This is what it looks like here. It's very, very sparkly, like if you can see that. When you put it on, it just kind of looks like sparkles on your face, which I'm not living for. Actually, let's just throw some on real quick. Let me find a highlighting brush in my mess here. Nope. Okay, highlighting brush. I'm just gonna dab some in there real quick. not getting any up. So I'm gonna dump some in the cap here. Just like that. We're gonna pick that up and I'm gonna pop that on the cheekbone. Just so you guys can see, it's very purpley. Got a very noticeable cast to it. Oh, I did put that on my nose. Which I don't hate purple highlighters. I do have one that I actually really care. I really care about it. You know, makeup is my life, I guess. But yeah, it's just like, it's got a purple cast to it, which, like I said, I don't hate purple highlights. Actually, I usually like them, but this one is just not flattering on me. And I just feel like it's way too glittery, which I feel like right now you can't see. But just trust me, it's really glittery and I don't like it. But I do like Artist Couture highlights a lot, just not this shade. Moving on. I also don't like this, oh my goodness. This is a holographic lip gloss by the company Appeal. I think it's called Appeal Cosmetics, but it is in the shade Trendsetter. It's definitely very holographic in the packaging. It's got that purpley green shift to it. Doesn't really have a smell. As you can see, I used it in my last video because I did try it on for you guys. I feel like that's giving it, yeah, it's right there. Ignore that one. Okay, let's try that again. Let's put it like right here. You can't really, yeah, there you go. So it is really holographic-y. I don't like lip gloss. That's something I probably should have said first. Lip gloss is not something that I like. I don't like the way it feels. I do love the way it looks. Like, lip gloss is really pretty, but I don't like the way it feels to the point where I don't wear it. Unless I have my hair up in like a really tight bun and it's not windy out, then I'll wear lip gloss, maybe, but not this one. I don't like this lip gloss. I don't like the way it feels. You can kind of feel the like, it's got like some glitter in it. You can feel it on your lips and I just, not a fan. Moving on to the last product. I have not tried this. I have swatched it. I have not tried it on my eyes yet. This is the Pure Cosmetics Festival Eyeshadow Palette. Pure does make a good eyeshadow formula from what I've tried in the past, which is usually from Boxycharm. And this palette looks really cool. And yeah, sorry, I'm getting messages as I'm looking at this, but looks like this. It's got some like aviator sunglasses. It says festival. Pretty sure the theme of this box was like festival, which was perfect for like Coachella time. There's a nice size mirror in there, and then you get 4x3s, 12 eyeshadows in here. Smells so good. The Pure shadows smell like Too Faced shadows, like very chocolatey. I did swatch these last time, not all of them, but a few of them. So we're gonna swatch different ones. I'm gonna do Psychedelic, which is a really pretty gold shade. We'll do Gypsy, which is a shimmer shade. Wild Child, which is a matte, and 24 Karat Magic, which is a glitter, a pressed glitter. Oh goodness. Okay, I have never used a glitter eyeshadow before. I feel like that's crazy to say. Oh, so the pink shade just like came off in chunks on my hand, so that's cute. Whoa, okay. I like that glitter shade a lot. That's real pretty. So we have a mess on my hands, literally. Let me look at these shade names again. The gold shade at the bottom is called Psychedelic. The purple is Gypsy. The pink is Wild Child. And the sparkly shade is 24 Karat Magic. That looks like so much fun. I want to just put it on my eyes right now. Okay, we're gonna take this brush that came in the box. I have no idea if this is gonna even work, to be honest. Let's just pop it. Whoa. Whoa, okay. I did not know if that was gonna work because I do not have glitter glue or anything down. This is probably not gonna stay too long. But that looks so cool. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put it onto the lid a little bit as well, just to make it a little more cohesive. Same thing on this side. Okay. I was gonna put this in like a first impressions video. I don't really know if this is gonna count as a first impression anymore since I just popped this on, but Is it okay to like incorporate glitter in your everyday life? Like, can I wear this to work? Because I kind of want to. This is so fun. Why have I never put glitter on my face before? Okay, moving on. That's it actually. Like I said, I don't know prices because I suck as a human, but I'm pretty sure everything in here is fairly cheap. Or not cheap, that's a negative word. Fairly affordable. I think the Bodyography pen is like $6, $5, between 5 and 10. The palette I think is like 40. I don't know. There's definitely sparkles all over my hand. I'm gonna stop guessing. I will have everything listed down below as I always do, but a quick little recap. Don't like the highlight. Don't like the lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I'm so negative today. Don't like the eyeliner. Do like the brushes. Brushes are nice, at least based on past Lexi brushes and the one that I just used. And the palette, I at least really like the glitter shade. So we'll see if I like the rest of them. I'm still gonna put this in that video probably. I'm gonna pop this in this little box down here. I do have a box full of things to try in an upcoming first impressions video, which should be up soon. I think I'm filming that tomorrow, so it'll be a few days. But yeah, that's everything I got in this box this month. If you guys liked this box or you want to see more Boxycharm unboxings in the future, let me know by liking this video and leaving me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. Bye guys.